Hello, my name is Edwin Ndeche, the 410 Bridge Agronomist. We'd like to share the joy with you about the Foundations for Farming Impact in Gamba. And for the first time in 10 years, the farmers have already harvested the yield that they'll be sustained for this whole year. They have decided to purchase the pesticide to preserve their cereals. We have also trained 66 farmers who we call first level. And then those who we have trained others whom we call second level. The second level farmers are now 61. And we look forward this year that the number to increase to more than 100. And we thank God because many more people are coming to learn this new farming concept. We'd like to thank our partners for continued support, and we look forward to continue praying for you so that more and more people will be enlightened about the Farming Gold Soil project. Thank you, and God bless you.